AKSUN Electronics Technology Ltd, every installation begins with understanding the client's unique energy needs. For this project, our team arrived on site early, ready to deliver a clean, sustainable, and reliable solar power solution. The first step was a physical assessment of the building and its surroundings. We took time to identify the best location for the inverter, the lithium battery, and other balance of system components. Placing these devices correctly is essential. It ensures proper ventilation, easy maintenance access, and long-term system durability. Once the positioning was confirmed, our team proceeded to organize the workflow. Every installation materials, from cables and breakers to mounting structures and connectors, was sorted and arranged. This level of planning allows us to work efficiently, safely, and with precision. We then move to the external installation point, where the solar panels will be mounted. For this system, the client selected 4 high-efficiency JA solar panels, each rated at 650 watts. These panels are known for their durability, excellent low light performance, and long-term energy stability. Before installation, we examine the angle, direction, and shading condition of the roof. The goal is always the same: to capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. Every degree of alignment matters, and small adjustment can significantly increase energy production over time. With the outdoor setup in progress, the inverter system, the lithium battery units, cabling, and installation tools were moved carefully to their designated location. Solar projects requires teamwork, coordination, and physical handling discipline. Each component must be transported and installed in a way that maintains both safety and integrity. While this may seem like a simple step, it plays a major role in ensuring reliability. When solar components are handled with care, the system performs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. After the structural and wiring stage were complete, we moved to system integration. The inverter was connected to the battery and the distribution line. The solar panels were then linked to the charge controller and power management. These connections allowed the system to convert sunlight into usable, stable, and uninterrupted electrical power. To finalize the installation, we conducted a full operational test, checking voltage, charging patterns, inverter synchronization, and load response. This ensures the system delivers energy smoothly and effectively. The results were successful. The system synchronized perfectly, delivering steady, clean power to the client's buildings. At AKSUN Electronics Limited, our mission is to deliver solutions that are not only reliable, but long-lasting and cost-effective. We believe that solar energy is not just an installation, it is an investment. For consultations, upgrades, or new installation, feel free to reach out. We are always ready to power your world the right way.